Yes, now we are headed to the Bornodi Wildlife Sanctuary in Udalguri district, which is very famous for the pygmy hawks, which is one of the most endangered animal, and only a handful of people can claim to have seen them through their naked eyes, as there are only about 600 of them, and currently it is found only in Bornodi Wildlife Sanctuary in Udalguri, Manak National Park of Assam, and along with the foothills of Himalayas in Nepal, there are a few. So basically, a team of journalists are visiting the Bornodi Wildlife Sanctuary for annual tour. And there we will be also having a feast with our friends from the forest. So let's begin our journey. Well, this is during the pre-COVID times when I, along with some of my media friends, visited the Bornodi Wildlife Sanctuary, a 26.22 square kilometer wildlife sanctuary situated on the foothills of Himalayas bordering Bhutan in the north in Udalguri district of Assam. This sanctuary is named after the river Bornodi, which flows on its western border, and it is nearly 30 kilometers from Tangla town of Udalguri district and 130 kilometers from Guwahati, the state capital of Assam. The sanctuary was established in 1980 to protect the hispid hare and pygmy hawk, which is a very rare hawk found only in the Bornodi Wildlife Sanctuary and Manas National Park of Assam. Do enjoy the vlog and let us know your feedbacks in the comment section below. So here we are entering the Bornodi Wildlife Sanctuary, and we also have some of the few security personnel for the safety, as the area is often frequented by the wild elephants, which is obviously found in this because it is bordering the Bhutan hills. Also we have our fellow journalists in the vehicle, and we are in open jeep. So let's see how interesting our journey begins. Here we are at the international India-Bhutan border. So as we can see, this is the pillar, and as it's clearly written here, India and BP means Bhutan Pradesh 254. Basically this is the port, and my fellow person will show you the Bhutan hills, which is just nearby. This is the mesmerizing view of the Indo-Bhutan border. So we have found another antique piece here at Bornodi Wildlife Sanctuary. This is a Mahindra Jeep, and it is a 550D model, and it is a diesel vehicle, and it was very extensively used during the British era, as these jeeps were very popular and they could take on any road. You just have to name it, and as in modern times it has been replaced by the Mahindra Gypsy and the Maruti Gypsy and the Mahindra Thar. And this jeep was a very favorite piece of even the tea garden managers, as this could literally take on any road. You just have to name it. And my fellow camera person is just showing the jeep. It's a very basic model. It didn't have all the modern sophisticated things like the power steering or all, but it had a good charm, and people still rely on these vehicles, as these vehicles are yet not outdated, and still in many garages you can find its parts and all.
পৰিৱেশ আহি ইমান ভাল লাগিছে, মানে আত্মহাৰা হৈ গৈছে, আৰু মানে যিসকল ব্যক্তিয়ে এই বনদী অভয়াৰণ্য দেখা নাই তেওঁলোকক আহিব।
So here we have senior journalist of Udalguri district. He is also a very good noted comedian of Udalguri, and he performs throughout the state in different stages. So he is Bapan Sharma. So sir, how are you feeling today at Bornodi?
মই অসমীয়াতে কৈছোঁ যে প্ৰকৃততে আমাৰ এই ওদালগুৰি জিলাৰ ভিতৰতে নহয়, সমগ্ৰ BTADৰ ভিতৰত এখন এই বৰ্ণদী অভয়াৰণ্য, য'ত নলগাহীৰ খ্যাতৰূপে আমি জানো। ইয়াত এটা প্ৰাকৃতিক সৌন্দৰ্য আছে, প্ৰাকৃতিক পৰিৱেশ আছে, আৰু ইয়াত বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ বিভিন্ন ঠাইৰ পৰা ইয়াত মানুহ পৰিৱেশন কৰিবলৈ আহে, চাবলৈ আহে। আৰু এই সঁচাকৈয়ে আমি ভাবিছোঁ যে এই বৰ্ণদী অভয়াৰণ্যই এটা আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় খ্যাতি মানে অৰ্জন কৰিব এটা সময়ত গৈ। কিন্তু দুখৰ বিষয়ে এতিয়ালৈকে কিন্তু আমাৰ নলগাহৰিৰ যিটো বিলুপ্তি হৈছে, এই বিলুপ্তি যদিও সংৰক্ষণ ব্যৱস্থা কৰিছে, এতিয়াও তাৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ হেৰি হোৱা নাই।
এই ক্ষেত্ৰত অসম চৰকাৰ বা ব্ৰিটিছ চৰকাৰৰ কৰণীয় বহুত আছে,
তেওঁলোকৰ কৰণীয় বহুত আছে, য'ত ৰাস্তা ঘাট আৰু ইয়াৰ আন্তঃগাঁথনি আজি অতি দুখ লগা হৈ আছে। আৰু যিমান প্ৰকৃততে ইয়াত আমাৰ সুৰক্ষা বা নিযুক্তি দিবলৈ সেই ধৰণে হয়তো দিয়া নাই আৰু সঁচাকৈ যি বৰ্ণাঢ্য অভয়াৰণ্য বুলি মানুহৰ মাজত যিটো ধাৰণা যিটো মানে চিন্তা কিন্তু ইয়াত আহিলে প্ৰকৃতিৰ যি সৌন্দৰ্যময় যি লীলাময় পৰিৱেশৰ মাজত যে আন্তঃগাঁথনি ইমান দুৰ্বল হৈ আছে এই কথাটোৱে মানে তেওঁলোকক সূচাইছে যে প্ৰকৃততে তেওঁলোকৰ দায়িত্ববোধৰ কথাখিনি
ধন্যবাদ So here we are ending our Bornodi Wildlife Sanctuary trip. This is the Bolero vehicle in which we travel all along to the Bornodi Wildlife Sanctuary. My fellow camera person also. And basically we are packing up now. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.